Friends, if you try to perform system restore on your system and you encounter the error, to use system restore you must specify which Windows installation to restore. Then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, I need to clarify one thing. I mean, people have mentioned a lot of solutions on other pages and I have tried them. For example, I tried using system restore through command prompt, but that was not the solution. So here's what I can suggest. First of all, try an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to repair the BCD, and we have a command for this: bootrec /rebuild BCD. Search for command prompt and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. And lastly, cloud reset. Now you may say cloud reset is an overkill, but trust me, if nothing else is working and system restore is important for you, then cloud reset can be very helpful in this case. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select recovery in the right pane, click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then finally select the option for cloud reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.